Welcome to Toolverse, your #1 source for breakthrough tools, emerging technologies, and insider strategies to supercharge your work and life. We're living in one of the most exciting times in tech history. Not just because of artificial intelligence or blockchain, but because of something called no-code tools. And if you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or creative, these tools might be the biggest shortcut to bringing your ideas to life, fast. Today we're diving into the hidden power of no-code platforms, how they're reshaping what's possible, and why you don't need to be a coder to build something amazing. Let's start with the shift. For decades, building software, launching a business, or creating a digital product meant one thing. You had to know how to code, or you had to hire someone who did. That barrier kept a lot of ideas stuck on the sidelines. But not anymore. With no-code tools, you can now build apps, websites, automations, marketplaces, and even software platforms without writing a single line of code. Tools like Bubble, Webflow, Glide, Adalo, Zapier, Airtable, and Softer are making it possible for anyone with a laptop and an internet connection to turn ideas into reality. So why is this such a big deal? First, speed. No code lets you build and launch projects in days or weeks, not months. You can go from idea to prototype incredibly fast, test your concept, and iterate based on real feedback. Second, accessibility. You don't need to raise money to hire a dev team or spend years learning to code. This levels the playing field, opening the door for solo founders, small teams, and even students to build world-class products. Third, experimentation. No-code tools encourage rapid testing. You can try out different features, pivot quickly, and keep improving without blowing your budget. It's perfect for side hustlers, indie makers, and anyone operating in a lean way. Fourth, automation. With tools like Zapier and Make, you can connect apps and automate workflows that used to take hours of manual work. Whether it's sending emails, updating spreadsheets, or managing customer data, no-code automation frees up time and brain power. But here's where it gets even more interesting. No-code isn't just for beginners. More and more startups, agencies, and even big companies are integrating no-code into their operations to move faster, reduce costs, and empower non-technical teams. It's becoming part of the professional toolkit across industries. So how do you tap into this wave? First, pick a no-code tool that fits your goal. Want to build an app? Check out Glide or Adalo. Want to automate processes? Start with Zapier. Need a stunning website? Webflow has you covered. Want to create a marketplace or membership site? Explore Softer or Bubble. Second, start small. Don't try to build the next billion-dollar platform right out of the gate. Focus on solving one clear problem or creating one useful solution. Build a minimum viable product, something simple but valuable, and launch it. Third, embrace the learning curve. Yes, these are no-code tools, but they still require learning. Give yourself permission to explore, experiment, and fail forward. The best builders aren't the ones who know everything. They're the ones who keep testing and refining. Fourth, connect with the no-code community. This space is filled with generous makers, builders, and entrepreneurs sharing tips, templates, and advice. Join forums, Slack groups, or online communities where you can get help and inspiration. And fifth, think beyond tools. Focus on outcomes. The goal isn't just to play with software. It's to create something useful, beautiful, or valuable that makes people's lives better. Always keep your end user in mind. Let's imagine what's possible. You want to launch an online course? Use Teachable and Webflow. You want to automate your freelance client onboarding? Use Typeform, Zapier, and Airtable. You want to build a job board? Use Softer and Airtable. You want to prototype an app idea? Use Adalo or Bubble. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your creativity. Here's the big mindset shift. You are no longer limited by your technical skills. You're limited only by your ability to learn, test, and create. No code is blowing open the doors of innovation, and the people who lean in now will have a massive head start. So to wrap it up, use no-code tools to move fast and stay lean. Focus on solving real problems. Keep experimenting and iterating. Stay connected to the no-code community. And most of all, take action. Because the best way to learn is to build. Subscribe to Toolverse for more cutting-edge tools, tactical playbooks, and insider strategies to help you create, automate, and innovate like never before.